Folks, we're on board our 2018 Cutwater 30 sedan. I just wanted to show you a quick video of the engine room compartment and how you get into it. It has an electric opening hatch actuator. I opened up the two locking facilities. You can see it opens up beautifully. I closed the main door just to make it a little bit easier, but it doesn't get any better than this. It's got the D6 435 horsepower Volvo Diesel engine in it. Fully serviced this year, bottom painted, fluids, oil filters, fuel filters, etc. That is your engine room compartment. It's got a dripless shaft seal back there. What a great looking boat. It's a 2018 model. Easy access to the engine room, easy for servicing, great all the way around. Huge horsepower for a 30-foot boat. Great mileage on this boat, great performance. It's a D6 435 horsepower Volvo Penta in our 2018 Cutwater sedan. Thanks for watching this video.